Hello students, let's discuss some important MCQs from 60% syllabus of your plus 1 class. See the first question. Who was Sumant Mulgaonkar? Yes, the right option is option B. He was the chairman of Telco. See the next question. Sudhamurthy was the student of dash year of master's course in computer science at Indian Institute of Science. So the right option is she was the student of final year. Grandmother and grandson both took breakfast of dash in the morning. Yes, the right option is bread and butter. Khushwant Singh returned from abroad after dash years. Yes, he came after 5 years. Discipline is restraint on liberty. Yes, is it true or false? Yes, it is true that discipline is a restraint on liberty. See the next question. When a lifeless object is compared to a person, which figure of speech is used there? Yes, when a lifeless object is compared to a person, that means there the figure of speech is personification used in that case. Why was the poet grieved in the poem Lines Written in Early Spring? Yes, he was sad and shocked that what man is doing with the man. So the option B is right here. What is the meaning of pansy in the poem Mother's Day? Yes, C option is the right option. Garden plant with flowers. What is the meaning of ancestral? Question number 9. Ancestral means forefathers. Rabindranath Tagore was the dash Indian to get Nobel Prize for Literature. Yes, he was the first Indian. So option B is the right option. Which figure of speech is used here? Spotted with source of smallpox. You can see the repetition of SSS. So the right answer is alliteration. Who was the merciful in the poem Upagupta? Yes, there are only two characters in the poem, Upagupta and the dancing girl. And who was the merciful? That is Upagupta. See the question number 13. There is a stanza given. Now A runs 90 yards to score. B knocks the champion to the floor. C, risking vertebrae and spine, lashes the steed across the line. So question number 13 is, what is the rhyming scheme for this stanza? And you can see score, floor, spine, line. See the last words of the line in the each line in the stanza. So the right answer is A, B, B. Option C is the right one. What is the meaning of vertebrae? It means small bones. B option is right. Choose the correct option of rhyming words in the above stanza. Yes, you can see score, floor, spine, line. So in the given options, spine, line, C option is right. How much money counted by astrologer's wife at night? When he returned home and he gave money to his wife and she counted, that is 12.5 annas. A option is the right option. Where did astrologer sit every day? Yes, A option is right, under tamarind tree. See the next question. How old was Tembu? Yes, Tembu was the son of Baldev and he was 12 years old. The axe which has the head of pure steel was made by Tembu's father or Baldev's father or Baldev own? Yes, the right option is Baldev's father. Ramnath was dash in the lesson Sparrows. Yes, he was Jaildar in the lesson Ramnath was the jaildar means B option is the right option. Sudha saw an advertisement. Dash the notice board. Yes, on the notice board. The driver jumped into the car. I never learned the prayer to remember. Dash drop of water is precious. Every drop of water is precious. The rich man buys all my paintings. The rich man buys all my paintings. And the right option is all my paintings are bought by the rich man. His conduct amazed us. You have to change the voice. We were amazed by his conduct. Yes, see the question number 27. He dashed the situation boldly, and you have to use past perfect. So past perfect, rule of past perfect is had with third form of the verb. So B option is right here. We dash heard a noise. Present indefinite. In present indefinite, do or does will be there. So the second option, do, is the right answer. वो शायद आज आ जावे. He may come today. And two of a trade seldom agree. B option is the right. Kutte da kutta very. This is the right option of translation English to Punjabi or into Hindi. So the B option is right here. So thank you.